Hi, my name is Fazluruman and we will discuss how can we track that type of the form when you submit the form, the new page or appear, the thank you page. Sometime when you purchase a product and the thank you page or appear. So how can you track these type of the pages or these type of tracks or these types of the product or this type of the form? For example, I have a website, demo website. I have a demo website, and when I fill the form, so I write something and something. So when I submit this form, so the new so you can see there's the new page is appeared, the new URL are appeared. So how can I track these type of the URL? So for this, you have to create a trigger which you have a make a trigger which contain the URL part of the URL. So when these type of the URL appear, then this trigger will listen and fire this specific tag which trigger will be attached. So how can we make this type of trigger? You have to click on the trigger. So when you click on the trigger, so you have to make a new, click on the new and click on the trigger configuration, because we want to see the page view. When the page view occurred and contain these type of the URL, so that trigger would be listened. So I have to click on the page view. So because I have to contain specific URL want to, so because the page URL, so I have to select the page URL. So let me page URL and which page URL, which word contain. So thank you. Or you can give the whole URL. Yes, you contain the you will provide them thank. Yes, anything you will provide that would differentiate from the other URL. So it would be tracked. So when I give him the thank you, so I have to give them trigger name. It would be thank you trigger. So you can modify the name according to your facilitation. So I give them this trigger name, thank you trigger. Now I want to send this data to the GA4, so I have to make a tag. So for this making a tag, I have to click on the tag, click on the new, click on the tag configuration, and click on the Google Analytics, because I have to send to Google Analytics. So I have make a constant measurement ID, so I do not need to go to the again GA4 to collect the measurement. You also make this constant ID. So I have to name this. What should be I name this? I have to name this thank you event. Thank you event, and I have to select a parameter page URL. So I have to select the page URL variable for this. So yeah, page URL. So I have to select the trigger which have the thank you trigger and give them name this tag thank you. Yes. So it is a random name. You can also name according to the facilitation. So I have to check the preview. So when I click the preview, it would be open. I have already provided this specific URL, my demo website URL. So when I click and I open this, so this is the form. You can see that the tag is connected. Now I have to fill this form, something written, and so when I click the submit, so yeah, thank you page appear. Now I have to check the file is loaded or not. So you can see that the thank you tag is fired. So I have to check the Google event, thank you. When the thank you tag is fired, we have to understand that the form is submitted. So now I have to click check the GA4, it is receiving the data or not. So I went to the GA4. Yeah, you can say the thank you event because I named this thank you event. So the page URL, page title, thank you. So you can also track through this scene when someone submit this forum and the page URL change, then you can track this forum through the URL. Thank you so much.